Hi, this is my handsome husband, Aras Joshi, the calm to my chaos.
And she is my crazy wife, Shweta Joshi.
Watch us exclusively on #CoupleGoals Unfiltered with Red. We are now going to play the compatibility test. Okay, what is something about me you did not understand in the beginning, but now you cherish?
I would say your hyperness.
He's accepting it, that he wants me hyper now.
What's the one quality about me which wins your heart over the time?
He's very calm. All the time, he's very calm. He is very patient with everything. He never raises his voice. I don't know how he does it, but he's very calm.
Practice.
Not practice, you're born with that quality, by the way. What's my quiet way of showing love when you've had a long day?
Keeping a warm water tub ready to soak my legs in thick.
Yes, to soak his feet in, yes. I do that because whenever he comes from the catering, he's always dead tired. Okay, what's your favorite sound in the house? My laughter, the kids' chaos, or your family's silence?
Your laughter.
My laughter.
Yeah.
Really? You're
Yeah.
saying it for the camera.
No.
Family silence. What he wants
No.
when he enters the house, everyone should be quiet. If I were a sweet, which one would I be? Jaldi. Come on.
My Rasgulla.
I like that. Okay.
When I say I'll be home in 10 minutes, how long does it actually take?
3 hours, 5, 6, unless I give him his last warning that I'm not opening the gate now. Papa is going to come. It's never 10 minutes. Tell me who is sweeter, your sweet wife or Sweet India?
Sweet India.
I knew he would say that. I knew. That's true though. Yeah. I'm not that sweet.
One sentence that describes me before marriage versus after.
Oh, before marriage, he would message me 100 times a day. He was such a gentleman, I would say. And he's become a rowdy. He's a rowdy now, post-marriage. He literally takes me for granted and he behaves like, I'm the boss and just listen to me. If I get angry and walk out, will you chase me or save the jalebi from burning first?
I'll save you.
You'll save me.
Of course.
You'll save.
Yeah.
He'll save the jalebi. He meant to say it.
No, I'll chase you.
He changed his sentence
No.
and say, I'll save you.
I'll chase you.
Okay. I agree. He should. If you had to choose a day off with me or record-breaking sales at Sweet India.
Day out with.
Really?
Yeah.
He's lying, by the way.
No.
He is lying. by the way.
No.
There are no day outs with me ever.
No. So that's why I'm choosing it.
Okay, only for the camera.
No.
Say it.
Sweet India record sale is every day.
Touch wood, yeah. That's good.
Moving on to the next segment. This is called How Well Do You Know Each Other? Who makes friends with strangers in 2 minutes? 2 different answers.
Huh?
Me?
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 I know. No.
You have to arrive at a mutual answer.
Okay, he. Chalo.
Who takes 2 hours to reply to a message?
Nonsense. I don't take.
Okay. This time me.
Who starts random deep conversations at midnight?
That was very funny.
Who is more likely to forget an anniversary but make up for it with a killer surprise?
He. For sure.
Who talks during fights and who listens?
Who listens? Okay. He doesn't listen.
I listen.
Yeah, he listens.
Who is more likely to eat sweets straight out of the kitchen?
Oh.
Who manages the money better?
I think it's me.
Me.
He.
Me.
No.
No.
You're lying about it.
A third segment. It is called the Love Scoreboard on humor.
I have given 5.
100. I've given you 100.
I have
You're
given
funny.
5.
You're funny.
Romance,
Man is infinity. He's the
No,
best.
you gave me 10, not 10.
communication,
It's not
I have
applicable.
given
I should not
Infinity.
score. Infinity. Yeah.
Yeah.
I communicate all my feelings.
patience,
Patience is 500 plus.
I have given you minus infinity.
Okay, fine.
supportive nature,
Plus infinity. Plus.
200. Julie.
Plus.
honesty,
Minus 100. He's not honest at all, by the way. Not to his wife.
I have given you infinity.
Thank you, because I am the honest wife. As a partner, he's plus. It's like, yeah.
I have given you infinity.
as a parent though.
I have written still deciding.
I will give him 500. Like, he's very good. 500 plus. He's like very engaged.
Thank you.
Best papa ever is. Not the best husband, by the way.
I am.
write a short message for each other on that card and exchange.
I love you, Shweta Joshi.
I'm so lucky to have you as my wife.
The last and final segment, 3-second challenge. Your wedding date.
Red.
Say red. Yes.
I said red.
No, I did it first.
17th Feb.
No, I did it first.
He did it first, but he did not say red.
Forgot,
So
huh?
17th Feb.
Your favorite family holiday destination.
Red. Maldives.
One emoji your partner uses the most.
Red. He uses his वो हाथ जोड़ के होता है ना. Please माफ करो. Please stop it.
Your partner's comfort food on a stressful day.
दाल चावल.
Where was your honeymoon?
honeymoon was secret. चलो red.
Red.
I said red.
Goa.
Goa.
Who is the foodie out of the two?
Red. Me.
Your partner's favorite movie.
Red.
Red. Any Salman Khan movie.
No. The Salman Khan and Amir Khan movie. You keep watching.
Oh, Andaz of Naam.
Yeah, that's his favorite movie.
Who sings better?
Red.
He does.
Your partner's favorite song.
Yes.
Red. चौदहवें का चांद और
Sing
कयामत
it,
से
it's
कयामत
better.
तक.
2 lines for us.
चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो. To know more about us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary special edition of Red.